Okay, recording. Okay, how are you guys?
Good. Busy day.
Busy day.
Yeah.
I find some new bugs on application on phone, and one of them it's very interesting and have a lot of steps. I don't know if I make good description because it's on avatar. I make login, and after I try to change avatar, and he accept choose, for example, one folder or one file Excel or something like that. And after have message to the user, we wait 1 second, blah blah blah, and after user pull out to the sign up page.
Mm-hmm.
And so many steps.
How many steps it was?
It was about 12 or something like that, because I begin from beginning, then login, and after find this avatar and all these things. If we need on test case or on bug report login, we always make go to page this, and after put login name, and all these things. We always complete this, or we can make one shortcut.
No, you can miss it. I mean, put your login and password. So you just sign in.
So I write sign in.
Okay, you did sign. You did sign, and so you have to make a screenshot for every step.
For what? For every step. I make only for the last one when there is problem. But I make one video with iPhone.
Right. Okay, it's easier.
Yeah, more easier. Then after compare all screenshots,
I think screenshots only for GUI issue, for like a simple issue. If you have like a functional issue and something like that,
what you can find on one page.
Yeah, difficult to see. Just make video. It's easy to understand and find the bug.
Yeah.
So what program do you use to make snapshots on video?
I have iPhone 10, so it's already built in one application.
Oh, it's okay.
I go to YouTube and find short video, and it's really easy.
And what about size of your video?
About 7 megabytes.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay?
You know that you cannot attach more than 10 megabytes.
Yeah, it was less.
Yeah, okay.
One program in you can download it. It says compressor or something like that. You can just minimize your video.
Yeah, but I think it can be solved.
Yeah, that's fine. 7 is that's fine.
We can make 2 videos.
Okay, guys, I have a question for all of you. Anybody already paid for course or not?
I select second payment options when when I get a job in 1 month. I will pay.
Yeah, me too.
1,500.
Yeah, I think most of us choose this option.
Yep.
As I say on last meeting, I think before we begin, Evgeny asked me pay by PayPal $100 for save my place on this course, and I pay, and now they sent me one email then for sign contract, but I have. There was whole amount without this $100, and I try to fill, and I can't configure it because it's someone filled before me, and when I fill my name, for example, and state, it was overlapping all text. Did you have this?
No, I didn't.
No.
I sent for Evgeny email, and he say me that we'll resolve it.
Which option did you choose for payment?
Second one, pay when I find work.
Mm-hmm.
I think you should ask about this, Evgeny.
Yeah, you can send him a mail. Do you have his email?
Yes, I have a Evgeny in Slack, so okay, I'll try.
Yeah, he is reply very quickly.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Vladimir, do you have any news for our team from team lead about bugs or any changes?
So we do changes. Yeah, we do changes, but you have to follow the comments, because some of you guys you didn't change the status, so you have to move your status to ready for UAT.
Mm-hmm. But
And some of you did not. I don't remember. Some of you not. Not everybody in our group, but a lot of people didn't add labels. So you should add labels as well. I mean, a label of our group, Eagles.
Mm-hmm. I have labels.
But when we fill bug, we need to change it for UAT or not? Or only some tickets?
Okay, when you posted your bugs,
Mm-hmm.
when it's done, when you think it's done by you, so you add description, you did everything.
Yeah.
So move your tickets to ready for UAT.
Ah, I see. Yeah, I don't make it. I will do.
Yes. So we will check. Some of us add some comments,
Mm-hmm.
and these bugs. It depends if it's right or not, if it's done or not. So we will accept or we decline it. When we decline the bug, it returns to you again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have it one like this.
Yeah, it returns to you again to finish.
Or make some change.
Yeah, yeah. So this is not a difficult process. So
yeah.
just follow the comments. That's it.
Vladimir, how many bugs do we need for win?
Week?
That's a good question.
For win.
No, I
as many as we can.
As many, yeah, as much we can do. So it's so as Marina said, it's a kind of competition.
And when it's finished competition, it will be finished on Friday?
I think it's gonna be finished tomorrow.
Ah.
I think so.
Work all night.
Yeah. So yeah, I understand. So there aren't many people in our group.
Yeah.
6 people.
Yes, but we're testing in mobile, so we have more opportunity than other, I think. Okay, do you have any statistics? Because I have to know how many I have to find for win. I have a lot of free time. Just.
Yeah, you can count.
Mm-hmm.
You can count
by labels.
You can count. Yeah, you can count by labels. So if you when you enter the backlog, you see all our bags. I mean, all of our participants' bags. So you can open every bag and see the label, and you can do a statistic for you if you want to.
But don't have searching bars by the labels. Don't
you
have something.
No, I mean you can do that.
Yeah, for you say that I need open every bag and see labels, but I think can be searchable by label.
Yeah, I think so. I didn't try this, but yeah, if it works by search just by labels, that's pretty easy.
One question.
Yeah.
Sure.
Can we submit like a duplicate bug? If we have the same bug on the web and mobile, can I submit or just search?
I think yes.
Last time Marina says that on this time we don't see duplicated or not.
Mm-hmm.
And
okay.
this
these times, yeah.
Because we can go to other team and see which bugs they have and feel the same on mobile.
Yeah, just it should be easy. Just see what we have on web and just go on mobile and find it and submit it. It's just a trick some, but
Yeah, but in the future, we have to check any duplicates.
yeah. Anyway, before
Yeah, 'cause,
submit, we have to go through all bugs and check if you have the same bug. We can submit. It doesn't matter or mobile or web.
Yeah, because today I don't remember where it was. The channel in Slack. Somebody asks about JQL video.
Yeah.
Mhm.
If you remember this video was about the search,
Yep.
advanced search, and so it's gonna be like one the main part of our work, of our process. And Denise said that in a real process, we have to check like minimum 10 times a day to find duplicates, or not to make a duplicate by ourselves.
Like that we can think then he make about 10, he find about 10 bugs per day if he's searching for duplicate.
No, it's so as I understand, if it's a big project, if it's a big project, you have to do it as more as possible, not to make duplicates.
Yes, and what do you think? Can be avatar be a one video or only image?
Sure.
One more time.
If so, you mean avatar where?
On our testing application. There have, for example, you are user, and there have place for your avatar, and an application accept one video. If this video less than 3 megabytes, it's accepted, and it's move and everything. I try to do it, but I never see one avatar as one video.
Me neither.
It just depends on requirements.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
If requirements allows you to download, install like a video as your avatar, it should be fine. But I never seen before. But I don't know.
Let's report a bug. We need it, guys.
Okay, guys, what do you think about interview?
Do we need to learn about soft QA and another bug docs like we did today?
Yeah, like Marina give for us 2 pages. We can say
2 pages. We have to learn before interview question or just one?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's better.
Yep.
Because there have some things which is the same from Portnoy school, and some things new what I discover for me. More large things. And how you see how we will do it?
I don't know. It's a good question.
So
Okay, guys.
Have to start, and after that we will figure out. I asked Portnoy yesterday. I would like to offer this format for guys who are now learning in online course, but Mr. Portnoy said that I can invite other people only in Skype group where Portnoy already exists. I cannot create a kind of big group without Mr. Portnoy. So I just would like to add some people from current course, but I cannot now.
Yes, but he can't know. He can't see if you do it or not. Only if someone say you, or only if someone say for him.
Yes, but
this is tricky question because we are not professional, and usually we can't judge if you say correctly or not.
Yeah, that's what exactly I wanted to figure out how to do that.
Yeah.
We just practice answer.
Yeah, but answer can't be letter by letter. Okay, we are human and we can understand this, and globally it's right. And when we repeat reply to one question many times, we are more secure, we are more safety. So I think it's this big meaning of this training, prepare better for training after with matters. It's as, for example, Partnov say, create your story, and after talk in front of
Mirror.
someone, yeah, first it's mirror, and after talk in front of someone, and you will be better.
Yeah. So yeah, so that's why we talked about last meeting. Yeah, just think about it. If you really need this, just learn by heart.
Yeah, we can try. We don't miss
Patient,
anything. We can sign one with another. I think it's better, as you mentioned, by two person. One ask another reply, and after we change. And for one time, we can see software development life cycle and bugs. It's not difficult. And after, if you guys already create your story, it can be interesting too, because when I pass all interviews, I say I talk this story many times, and it's if you know it well, it's very helpful.
What do you mean about story? Story about yourself, or
how yeah, about yourself and how you go to QA and about your experience, something like that. About your
background, skills.
Background, yeah.
Okay, let's do this way. So I created a page. So and there is a tab with the interview time. So you just go. You're just gonna think. So what time is convenience for you? So choose the pair and set the time, and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I have a lot of free time, so if you want to call to someone, you can call me.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's a good idea, because I'm actually busy on weekdays, so I'm only free on in the evening. So if you have time, and just set up a time and to record the video, and we just will watch after. It's a good
How we
idea.
make mistakes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it can be helpful. First, for example, we can try without video, and after we can try with video.
Yeah, both way, any way you like.
Okay.
So any questions about your homework?
When you're testing this application, you clean cache on your phone? Or
I think it's not necessary. If you test one build and after that you test another build, it's necessary. But now,
because, for example, on the photos menu, I see there have links, for example, information and partners. When I click on one part of menu, it's show, okay, it's partners. After, it's another type of menu. I click there and I have again information about partners. After I click on another, again partners. But I try to many times click, and after some seconds, it's beginning to work properly. So it's back only on one moment, or some cache, or what is this? Because it can be back not reproducible.
Try to reproduce like 5 times and just see how many times it just happens.
I think try to
clear cache.
Yeah, try to something and
try to change phone.
Yeah.
I have a question about video. How you guys take picture, a screen, like a video from your iPhone? What's the tool you use? Like
I-
an air
Actually-
server or
I use Go.
Screenshot?
no screenshot video?
I Go Recorder. This
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I installed this from App Store. Go Record, Go Record, and
Uh-huh.
yes.
Which iPhone you have?
I have iPhone XR. Easy, and I send it by email, and then I download on my Mac and drop it down.
Yeah, I make the same.
It's so easy.
Mhm. If you have like a Windows, the same process.
I think yes, because I sent by Gmail my this video by Gmail to my computer and download on desktop and drop it down.
I think on Windows it can be only a problem to visualize move because on iPhone when you create video it's on format move, and on Windows I don't know if Windows can reproduce move.
If you use Gmail, it's
Converting.
Converting it converting in MP4 format.
Yeah,
MP4 format.
Uh-huh. Before I used like Air server. It's very cool tools, but right now I can't use it. Before it's like a couple days your admission, you can use this application for like a week, and then you have to pay for this.
Yes, but have many tools for Android. I think I use Omatic or something like that. But anyway, put on YouTube or on Google one phrase, record video on iPhone 10 or on iPhone 6, and you will see videos, and it's easier.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Anna, what about Confluence page? Something.
Yeah, I have only blogs because I go to Confluence page and there have message if you would like to create a space for your team, contact Confluence administrator. I write a mail. After I don't have reply. After I write on Slack to Marina with direction. Marina, can you say me who is our Confluence administrator? Nothing.
I think.
No, but I saw this this post, but you did get an answer from Denis, and he said that it doesn't allow to create a page. I mean, designed page. So you can create just a page. I mean, as I said before, with no restriction. No.
Ah, okay. So it doesn't matter.
So that's why I asked, do you need privacy, or if you don't need the privacy, you can just create a page.
I don't know if someone create on space, own space, because I create mine. It was by default. Did you have
Your
it?
own space?
Yeah, Anasena. I don't know, maybe on beginning it was allowed because when I was on team one girl create team one space there. And
okay, I understand. So now I'm understanding. Can you share with this space with us?
I create my my space, and how it's my space, I can feel with who I would like to share it, or I completely close it and only I can visualize it. So we can do by this way. Someone, or for example me, can open this only for our team, and we make there some sub pages and use it like this way.
Okay, if you want, you can change your own profile for our group.
Yes, I think I can do it. No problem.
If you need this page, I mean, if you need this page.
I continue feel it because I put there some answer to the questions or something like that. But it's not private information. I can share it with you, not problem. I will do it at the evening. I will put permission for all you guys. And after I will send the link on our Skype group.
Okay, good. If it will work, so it's gonna be our group page.
I will be proud.
as you wanted.
Donuts free.
Yeah. So, Yuri, I have questions for you.
Mm-hmm.
So you know Vadim, how it's going?
Now Vadim with wife, unfortunately, but I think in couple minutes he can be here, but I'm not sure.
Unfortunately.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
see. But Vadim really would like to take part in our conversation and different moments. So I think today he will watch this video in recording.
No, I see he's working. He's doing his tasks. And so he's kind of in the flow.
He has all links. So Vadim with us.
Good.
Guys,
So
did you on the market or you wait finish this course and after go to the market?
I gonna to wait about 1 more month because I don't have even a resume, or I don't have any skills that I can add to my resume. So
yeah,
only in 1 month.
Work
So
on
this-
resume. Yes, but I remember you say that you don't begin in memorize reply to the questions.
I started yesterday, learn all of this, a lot of questions.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Do you have a problem with the bullets?
I don't start make it. I will do it. When do we need to finish all these tickets? Tomorrow?
So it's
by Friday.
so when you see the ticket, you see the numbers in a right lower corner.
Tomorrow.
It's 1 or 3 or 2. It's days.
Maximum is 3 days.
Maximum is 3 days.
Yeah, but it was all together how it's managed. You make one on one day, after another one on another day, or how it is?
If you switch your tickets from to do to QA, just start on working on your tickets, because if it says it's just 1 day, 1 evening, like.
Yeah.
You have
And
to
if I
start and
don't do
finish.
it, what it will be?
It's not critical, but it's up to you.
Yeah, because I remember Denise says that we need grab ticket and beginning work, not to grab all tickets and.
No, 1 by 1.
Yeah.
Start just 1 tickets, finished, switch to ready to UI, and start another ticket.
Yeah, because now we are we learning, and everyone have this ticket, but how they explain on real life, on the bucket of QA have many tickets and all people work on them. So if you take for you 5 tickets and work only on one, it's not relevated. Yeah.
So yeah, just pay attention on bullets, because you can find Marina at a lot of comments on this. So when you write bullets, so it's pretend to be like it's a bullet in your resume. It's not just a note. It's not just a note like I'm reading the article or something like that. so it's gonna be more professional, as you can do.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, so guys, if you have no questions, I'm gonna stop recording, and if you wanna, we can talk on other topics. If you have questions.
I don't have many questions.
I don't have.
Okay, I have a question. Who gonna talk me your story about yourself, about experience?
I can make it.
Okay,
I don't remember.
when you have a free time, it's about 20 minutes, I think.
Maybe tomorrow.
In what time?
It's the evening, like this time, maybe after 8 on California.
Uh-huh.
It's okay for
Tomorrow
you?
we have meeting,
Yeah, tomorrow we have meeting. After,
and after we have like a stand up.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
we
we're
can
gonna.
later.
Okay, guys, if you, if it's no a lot of questions tomorrow, let's keep stand up, and you will write your story training
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
something.
let's start from that. It's a short story, 2 or 3 minutes. I
Yeah,
try
it's not
to do.
too much time.
Yeah.
Just a couple minutes
Yep.
about
Okay.
yourself, about your experience.
I will refresh it on my mind how it was, and I can do it tomorrow after stand up. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Prepare your.
I think that I can hear your story and after that write my story. Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
See you
good.
tomorrow.
Okay, see
Okay.
you guys.
See you guys.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a good night.
Bye.